Hey guys, so today's video is just gonna be a little thrift store haul, and I picked up a few things. So here's all the stuff I got. I went to Plato's Closet and Goodwill. So let's start with Goodwill. I was looking for like fall and like winter pieces, like jackets and stuff kinda. So this is the first thing I picked up. It's just like this tan, like it's kind of like thin, but it's this tan jacket. It says Belize right here. It's a large. I think I got it in the men's section, low-key, but like it's super cute on. And I can like pair this with so many things, like layering with like a scarf and a sweater, or just like some jeans and a tank top. So I'm really excited to wear this. I could definitely wear it like open or closed, and it has pockets too. So yeah. The next thing is my most favorite item. I've been wanting one of these for forever, and every time I go to the thrift store I can't find one, or they're just like not cute. But I finally got one. It's like a vintage style like windbreaker. This one says Michigan. It's blue and yellow. It has like white and yellow outlining right here. And then the words are just in yellow. And it also has pockets, but it's super cute. It's oversized. I could literally like pair this with anything, like just throwing it on and stuff. I'm really excited for that. The next thing is just like this oversized yellow sweater. It has like navy blue detailing at the top and like gray and navy blue stripes right here. It's just super cute, super chill. I'm excited to wear that too. This can be like paired with like mom jeans, or just like oversized with like some jeans that have like grips in the knees or something like that. The clothes that I got were like pretty oversized. Both of those pieces were larges. And then the last thing I got from Goodwill was just a pair of jeans. They're actually Levi jeans. They're just light wash. They're straight leg. I'm gonna DIY these, so I think I'm gonna like fringe them at the bottom, and then like make a few rips in the knees. I think that'll be super cute. Yeah, that's all I got at Goodwill. Let's see how much I spent. So I got all that for $19.17. I got 2 jackets, a sweater, and jeans for $20. So next we're gonna move on to Plato's Closet. Y'all, I got the cutest stuff here. So I got a couple pairs of jeans, and I got this really cute coat. So these jeans are Old Navy. They're like fringed at the bottom, and they have rips, and they're like this dark wash. They're super cute. They like fit perfectly, because like I don't know if it's just me, but like my jeans will fit perfectly on the legs, right? And then they'll be big in the waist, and I'm like, what's going on? I got another pair of jeans, and y'all, I have been wanting jeans like this for forever. I would go to Forever 21 and like H&M and Zara, and like I find the jeans, but they'd be like $50, and I'm like, not it. But I have found some embroidered jeans at Plato's Closet. They're so cute. I don't know, some people might not like them, but I think they're so cute. They have like a lot of detailing, and then they go like all the way down, and then they're also on the back too. I think they're super cute. They're actually from Topshop. I think this pair of jeans was like $12, and then the other pair I got for like 10 or something like that. I can't remember. And y'all, this coat, listen, it's from Forever 21, right? I got it for $20 at Plato's Closet, and it is so freaking cute. I've been looking for a coat like this too. Like, what the heck? It's so cute. Hold on, I'm gonna zip it up so y'all can actually see it. It is so cute. The next thing I'm looking for is like a teddy bear coat. Like, I have this pink like fuzzy hoodie, but I want like a brown teddy bear coat so bad. So if y'all know any online sites or places that have them for cheap, hit me up. But this is the coat. It is so cute. I love like the detailing on the sleeve, like it's black leather. It also has it like here at the bottom, and then like the inside is like this nice material. I think this coat is so freaking cute. Like I could literally pair it with anything, like wear it with a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I'm really excited. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you check out my blog, notesbynaz.com, where I also have a lot of things about my life, faith, beauty, fashion, and college.